Don't look at me. Don't tell me this is not going there. No.
Ziva peed again.
Stop! It's actually 5. Not even 5. Like 2.
It's like 8 o'clock in the morning.
Staying outside.
Going to get lunch. Where are we at?
Twisted Oak.
What's the best thing to get here?
Nothing. Yeah, the best thing to get is the firecracker shrimp, but you don't like anything spicy. So I can't
I like
tell
shrimp
you,
though.
but you don't like spicy, and they're burning hot.
Okay. Focus.
Focus on me.
Guys, there has to be a dead body in there.
No.
That's the thing where you.
Please, I'll be with you in just a moment, okay? Did you decide on a drink?
It's the place where they shove the bodies in and lock them in. You watch from the
How many
outside.
scary movies?
No, they're not scary movies. This is like real life. I heard conspiracy theories about those.
Shane Dawson.
Rain. What'd you have?
Pasta, I'm pretty sure it's still stuck in my teeth.
Okay. I had burger and they had really good fries. Like they were crispy and then like soft on the inside. Some of them were like chips though, but they're so really good. Flavor, so there. The fries were better than the burger, I do have to say. It's raining. Somebody was about to get a tattoo.
They didn't take walk-ins. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt your lunch.
That's okay. What's up, Bubba?
Nothing. Me and Lauren just got done eating at Twisted Oak. We're on our way to Hobby Lobby right now to see if we can get stuff for Lauren's sweatshirt. Mom, so question.
What?
Has your view... Are you still gonna kick me out if I get a tattoo?
Yep.
So we're in Hobby Lobby. It's freezing because we're wet and it's cold. And we're trying to get the iron letters to put on my shirt. That's what we're here for. Did you see this? So many patches.
Hot and spicy.
Oh god. This is what I'm looking for though. Should I get white letters? It's gonna be on a black shirt.
I would get white.
I like that. I got what I am looking for. Stop it. Friendship bracelets. While watching Frozen too.
Who said we're adults?
Bye, Diesel. Bye, Ziba. Hey, Sai. Freaking love her animals. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And everything's linked down in the description below, including my Patreon page, so if you want to go support, you can. And yeah, enjoy life and live it up. I'll see you all in the next episode.